In the previous slides, we talked about the model geometry, layering the model, and saving the layers file. Now we should prepare the Python code. You need to know that with this code, you don't need to do anything in the GUI because when you run this code, it'll do everything for you. So let's see what this code does. Here we have the flowchart of the code on the left side and the code on the right. See the flowchart? The first thing is importing data. This data includes all values we need for simulation, like the material properties, number of layers, and so on. Now look at the code. The first two lines are the code's default. With this code block here, you can insert your desired values for each parameter. When you run the code, several windows will pop up one by one and you can insert your values. These lines, which start with the fields phrase, specify the name of the parameters field and the value. The first phrase determines the name and the latter the value. These lines are for the first pop-up window in which you specify the directory of the layers file. The name of the parameters field is path directory and the default value is this one. You can change the default value to your will. In the next line, you define the variables first. For example, here the variable is pathed. Next, with the getInputs command, you can specify the value for this variable, which is the value you specified in the field. With this phrase here, you can specify a name for the window's title. In the next window, we should specify the geometric parameters, thickness of layer, number of layers, X reference and Z reference. The variables are H, N, XC, and ZC respectively. The title of the window would be Specify Geometric Parameters.